Good morning and a very warm welcome to the Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium at Uppal in Hyderabad with the Group E matches, round 3. Andhra taking on Goa here. Well, Andhra Pradesh, toss going their way, and there you see the two teams, Andhra being led by Ricky Bui, and some very good players in there, Srikanth Bharat, Ashwin Hebbar. If you go down there, you can see the bowling, Shashikant and Stephen, just Kashyap, Bhakle, Krishnamurthy Siddharth, 246 runs, 250s and a good strike rate, 132. Chirupalli Stephen, lots of experience, 74 wickets in his 44 games, economy well below 7, best of 5 for 10. Delivery, and that's the end of it. Soft dismissal in many ways, but Stephen strikes and Goa up 4 for 1.
सिद्धार्थ को जाना पड़ेगा वापस 1 रन बना के. गोवा 4 पे 1.
Deepraj Gaukar, he is the skipper of Goa. 32nd innings, 444 runs, only 150, that's his highest, 51.
यहाँ लगी है बल्ले के बीच में और आवाज ही बहुत बेहतरीन आई है, सीधा स्टैंड में गई है गेंद.
And this time wanting to clear the infield, no, straight going to hand. The captain doesn't make a mistake. So that's the second wicket down. Goa losing their way. That's what Manvinder was saying, becoming a bit impatient, but there was no dot ball. In fact, they had got a single the last ball around.
कश्यप ने बनाए 12 रन. गोवा 15 पे 2.
Stephen, this time bit of wit, quick to latch onto it is the skipper Gaukar, 4 runs. This time also finding the placements superbly, threading the needle, consecutive boundaries. This is short, and this time also the pull, keeping it down, 4 more runs. Took a wicket off the last ball of the over. This time once again square driven beautifully. Oh, just chipping it into the air, playing it a tad early. That's the 3rd wicket down. So Goa in trouble here.
कप्तान को जाना पड़ेगा वापस. 3री विकेट मिली है, लेकिन शशिकांत के लिए अच्छी बात है, उन्होंने अपनी टीम के लिए विकेट दिलाई है. दीपराज को जाना पड़ेगा वापस 18 बना के. गोवा 33 पे 3.
Suyash Prabhudesai, he's captained Goa in the past, experienced 952 runs in 45 innings.
Oh, misfield, should have been fielded there. Will be runs here, it's got to be a 4. Sharp run, require the direct hit. That could be curtains here. That could be curtains here. They are celebrating.
और डायरेक्ट हिट में ज़्यादातर बल्लेबाज दूर ही रह जाता है, और यहाँ पे तो दूर लग रहे हैं जी मुझे. बहुत बढ़िया फील्डिंग यहाँ पे. एक हाथ से गेंद को पकड़ा और सीधा एम किया स्टंप्स की तरफ और दूर रह गए हैं. वापस जाना पड़ेगा बल्लेबाज को. बहुत बढ़िया काम किया भाई विजय ने अपनी टीम के लिए यहाँ पे, और गोवा का 4था विकेट गिर गया है.
Darshan the man out, Kundu March out for 7 of 10 deliveries. Who are struggling at this stage, 47 for 4.
विकास सिंह 5 इनिंग्स में 49 रन. स्ट्राइक रेट बहुत बेहतरीन है, 175 का स्ट्राइक रेट दिखता है आपको.
That's it, it's Apesh, but in the gap. That's a quality shot.
यहाँ 4 मिलेंगे.
This time the left-hander, the faster one, beats everyone, and will wait for the umpire signal.
Oh, जगह बना के वही प्रयास कर रहे थे.
This time, this is improvisation, very good improvisation. Gets 4 runs.
यहाँ रन्स मिल सकते हैं. मिले हैं जी 4 यहाँ पे.
Length delivery, he's got the elevation only and he goes. So trying to up the pace. That's the end of Vikas Singh. Skipper who took the first catch as well, making no mistake, Ricky Bui.
विकास सिंह को जाना पड़ेगा वापस. 25 बनाए उन्होंने 30 गेंदों में. गोवा 105 5.
Arjun Tendulkar,
जिस ताकत की बात कर रहे थे वो शॉट में दिखाई है उन्होंने. इस बार पड़ा था इस गेंद की लेंथ को, और मिड विकेट के ऊपर से 4 रन लगाए अर्जुन ने.
oh, this one slipped from his hand and into the gap, 4 runs.
पकड़ना चाहिए था कैच. राजू ने फुल डाला था और एलिवेशन मिली नहीं हाथ खोलने के लिए. और सीधा ही लॉन्ग ऑफ के खिलाड़ी के पास थी वो गेंद। एक बड़ा मौका छोड़ा है।
Good bowling once again, but this time he played it very cleverly. Just used the pace of the bowler there. And a welcome boundary. Well, that should be his 50. Yes, a boundary to bring up his 50. Prabhu Desai is batted well. And really Goa require a few more boundaries like this, Manvinder, if they have to reach a score in excess of 150. You are right, they need to accelerate here. This should be 4. Well, this time gets yet another boundary.
लीजिए, यहाँ 4 मिलेंगे। बल्लेबाजी का अंदरूनी किनारा लगा था, कीपर के पास मौका था नहीं जी पकड़ने का।
Oh, this is once again, the intention was all right, but just putting his bat to ball, getting 4 more runs. Full toss, and yet another boundary over here for Goa, the final over, and really 19 runs came off that over, and Goa end their quota of 20 overs at 154. This is how the last ball, throwing his bat at that, beats the fielder. Region between the wicket-keeper and the third man region. Lots of boundaries in this final over.
154 रन बनाए हैं 5 विकेट खो के। पावर प्ले के भीतर 3 विकेट खो दिए थे गोवा ने, लेकिन उसके बाद प्रभु देसाई, विकास सिंह वो अच्छी साझेदारी कर रही है उन्होंने अपनी टीम के लिए। आखिरी में अर्जुन तेंदुलकर ने भी कुछ बढ़िया शॉट्स खेले, उसकी बदौलत गोवा ने पहले बल्लेबाजी करके 154 रन बनाए 5 विकेट खो के।
And the target here for Andhra is going to be 155 in the allotted 20 overs. A required run rate of 7.75. Shrikar Bharat, 31 years old, strike rate of 111. He'd like to improve on that. 650s for him in his T20 career. And his partner at the other end is going to be the dashing Ashwin Hebbar. 130 his strike rate, 950s 100. With the new ball, Arjun Tendulkar, 26 wickets for him in his 24 matches. Economy up over 8. First ball of this innings. He's getting a bit of movement as well. Carved on the onside. Nicely played as well. That's racing away. That's going to be a boundary here. Pulls it. That's high up in the air. And that's a cracking shot.
यहाँ पे चौका मिलेगा।
That's a pitch. That should be taken as well, and easily taken. A bar has to go back. Arjun Tendulkar, he strikes here. Nicely bowled. He's putting pressure, was a good over so far. And Hebbar trying to break the shackles here.
अश्विन हेब्बार 10 गेंदों में 13 बनाए, आंध्र प्रदेश 24 पे 1। रशीद ये कमाली खिलाड़ी हैं भाई।
Pulls it, that's up in the air, and just clearing the fielder. That's going to be a 6 here for KS Bharat. निकाल दिया शेख रशीद ने 4 रनों के लिए। इस बार सीधे बैट से, ये सीधा और तीखा, ये गेंद दूर जाके गिरेगी 6 रन के लिए।
Iram Parab, and this time once again shot for yet another boundary. And this time Midland leg stump helps himself to yet another 4. Yes! And this time a pitch and taken. So Darshan providing the much needed breakthrough for Goa. Sheikh Rashid was shaping up well. He's gone. That's the second wicket down for Goa.
वापसी होती हुई शेख रशीद की, ज़्यादा कुछ कर नहीं पाए। 8 रन केवल 8 गेंदों में, 57 पे 2 आंध्र प्रदेश। गोवा के लिए कप्तान साहब आए हैं अब, रिकी भोई, 28 वर्षीय, 1500 रन, 2 शतक, 7 अर्धशतक, स्ट्राइक रेट 137 का।
And that was slightly short, and that gave and that will beat the fielder as well.
नहीं, ये लेंथ नहीं, यहाँ पे करेंगे, यही नसीहत रहेगी। 4 रन मिलते हुए।
Now trying to get his line right. This time once again Ricky Bui into the gap, 4 runs.
आगे बढ़ के सीधा बिल्कुल छक्का लगाया उन्होंने। डॉट हुई थी गेंद पिछली, उन्होंने कहा कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
Shot, and Ricky Bui is not going to miss out. And this time that should have been stopped. 4 runs gifted away, 4 bonus runs.
भारत को 1 रन चाहिए अर्धशतक के लिए।
Gets to his 50.
KS Bharat.
So things going the way of Andhra. Nelson on the board, 111 for 2. Ricky Bui launches into that one. Maximum there. Oh, once again Ricky Bui. He's on song here. They may finish it even before their quota of 20 overs. Chipped it, but safely. And 4 runs as well.
लीजिए, बहुत जोर से मारा है. उन्होंने कहा अर्शतक कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मैं तो छक्का लगा के अपना अर्शतक पूरा करूंगा. चौथा छक्का निकलता हुआ रिकी भुई के बल्ले से.
Once again pulls it. That's going to be another 4 here. Once again, that's great timing. Oh, once again, that's uppish, but that's going to be another boundary here. And that's going to be the game as well. And Andhra Pradesh, they have won it. And now signal, yeah, it's all over. It's all over with this boundary. Thick outside edge. But as I say, fortune favors the brave. And he's been pretty brave. That's the win now. That's the confirmation. Andhra Pradesh, they have won convincingly by 8 wickets this game. Fine knocks by KS Bharat and Ricky Bui, both getting half centuries. They lost a couple of wickets early on, but this pair, they've done a wonderful job. And this is how the game panned out. Goa getting to 154 for 5, probably 25-30 runs short of the surface. They allotted 20 overs. Prabhu Desai, the top scorer. 71 unbeaten for him. Sasikant and Stephen getting a couple of wickets for Andhra. And Andhra, when they came in for the run chase, is getting in 15.4 overs. Thanks to Ricky Bui and KS Bharat, both of them getting very good half centuries. And Andhra Pradesh winning